All the charges are dropped against the 32 people who caused a scene in a Taos courtroom.
They were all hit with contempt of court and hauled off to jail last Thursday after they hooted and hollered at a judge who refused to show mercy to a rapist. News 13's Jeff Todd is live in Taos with the latest on that story. Jeff?
It was quieter than a library when 8th Judicial District Judge Sam Sanchez took the bench today. He began the mass arraignment today by telling the 32 defendants that he had no choice on Thursday but to hold them all in contempt of court. That day, 31-year-old Dominic Bao was denied a motion to reconsider the 12-year sentence he received after pleading guilty to raping a 13-year-old relative. Judge Sanchez said today he asked 4 times for the crowd to gain control of itself as profanity and threats were shouted at the victim's family and the judge himself. The judge, however, dropped all the charges against the 32 defendants before immediately leaving the courtroom. Sanchez says Thursday's decision to punish the crowd, that was his only option, but some defendants say their side of the story was never heard.
I need you to understand that although some of you are saying you were not involved, it was impossible for any of us to tell who was and who was not.
And each of these individuals have their own accounting of what happened that night, and they deny and disagree with the judge's version of what happened that night.
David Eisenberg is the Deputy Chief Public Defender, and he represented all of the defendants at today's hearing. He said some of them could go on and file a complaint against Judge Sanchez or seek a judicial review. Dick, back to you.
All right, Jeff, the judge also told the defendants that the courtroom is not a basketball court or a football field where fans can just yell at any call that they don't like.